So on this pole planer attachment, you can adjust your depth by just unlocking this little lock screw here, and then it's got a little bar you can basically adjust your depth with. You tighten it in and it brings the sides up, and you bring it down if you only want to go not even like an inch down. And then also as well, this pivot point here swivels, so you won't have to keep trying to keep it level while as you're using the boom, and then you can lock it out if you want it. So yeah, as I'm bringing it in, it comes up higher so you can go down a lot deeper. Obviously you don't want to bury the thing in the ground, but then if I loosen it up, it comes all the way down. And then when I get my height set, just want to lock this in, you're good to go.